Homeschooled students 13 and older are encouraged to enroll in Classical Conversations Challenge B. The theme of this year is Ownership Builds Discipline. What that really means is that as students stretch themselves academically through their coursework, projects, and discussions, they recognize the need to be hardworking and persistent. 1 day a week for 30 weeks, Challenge B students meet to discuss math concepts, logic, literature, short stories, persuasive writing, historical figures, Latin, the history of astronomy, and the origins of the universe as facilitated by their licensed director. The licensed director continues to emphasize questions and the dialectic. At home, students delve into the universal concepts of arithmetic, study logic theories, read children's literature, practice the art of persuasive writing, read about prominent historical figures, refine their understanding of Latin, the foundation of so many languages, research men and women important to modern science, study the creation-evolution debate, and end the year by writing a short story of their own. The capstone project of the Challenge B year is mock trial. Now, this is such an amazing opportunity and is a Classical Conversations favorite. Here, students must put their critical thinking, public speaking, and persuasive presentation skills to practice as they play the roles of defense and prosecution attorneys and witnesses in a case to be heard in an actual courthouse or courthouse setting. Throughout the year, as Challenge B students build discipline, they prepare themselves for the faster pace and more difficult coursework of higher challenge levels, as well as the life that lies ahead after graduation. And through building this discipline, as they will soon discover in Challenge 1, they open doors for true freedom.